channel Scratch Programming Projects for Kids. Today we are going to integrate PictoBlox, a Scratch-based platform, with hardware. The hardware that we are going to use is Elegoo Arduino MEGA microcontroller. This microcontroller is the part of Elegoo MEGA 2560 starter kit. The purpose of the project is to make the LED light emitting diode light up for 3 seconds and then become off for another 3 seconds. The materials used are Elegoo Arduino MEGA microcontroller, which has the LED inbuilt in it, a USB cable, and a laptop with PictoBlox installed in it. So let's get started. Here I have my Arduino MEGA, my USB cable, and my laptop. Now let's connect them. By looking at the glowing LED, you know that the microcontroller is connected with the laptop. Next, open PictoBlox. Now select Board. Then select Arduino MEGA. Then click on this Connect button. So you can see that their blocks appeared here. Next, we're going to write the script. Drag, set digital pin 13, this should be set at 13, output as high. Then go to Control, get the wait seconds, and wait it for 3 seconds. Then go to Arduino MEGA and then set digital pin 13 again. Instead of high, we're going to put low. Then we're going to go to Control again, and we are going to put 3 seconds again. For this, we're going to put a forever loop. Now let's go to Upload. Now you can see that this is already on. So let's drag and put this here. Now click on Upload Code. By seeing this that's exited with zero, then that means our code is successfully installed in our hardware. We can see the result of our work by checking the LED on pin 13. It lights on for 3 seconds and lights off for 3 seconds. That's it, guys. We're done for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at scratchprogrammingprojects@gmail.com. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks, and see you again in the next video. Bye!